Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. It's been a while, but in this video I want to talk about the concept of full-time trading. When you talk about a full-time trader, of course most people will think about driving a Lambo, like having a mansion somewhere. But let us first settle down and talk about who a full-time trader really is, especially here in Africa. Nowadays I love talking about Africa because that's where I am. And for many people here in Africa, trading is still an idea, a concept that they've maybe heard of, they don't understand really well. But they see, oh, traders have money. No, they do not see it as full-time trader, as a person who works, something similar to a job, but different in its own ways. So in Africa, I thought about a few things. Trading full-time means having it as a job. It becomes your job, full-time trading. You wake up, you sit on the chart and observe, trends in the market so that you can enter or exit depending on your intuition, all your thinking. And in this situation, you do not depend on a salary or what. You depend on the profits, all benefits you get out of the markets. So for example, there are Forex full-time traders, there are crypto traders who do it full-time, there are futures traders, we see them everywhere, and there are prop firm account traders like myself. I trade prop firm accounts and that is my full-time trading. So my journey with trading started way back, and of course I became profitable last year with a bunch of payouts from Funded Next, a bunch of payouts from FTMO, and got funded. Yes, got funded was also among them. And right now I'm trying to push, funding pips to join the category of winning prop firms that I trade. Therefore, the reality of full-time trading and the concept of full-time trading is different. First of all, I want to mention to you that if you are unemployed, you should be trading full-time. You should be trading full-time. If you do not have a job, try to be a full-time trader. You are a full-time trader from today on. If you're not working, you are a full-time trader. And we know the reality of being here in Africa, like lack of jobs. We don't have jobs. We don't have jobs to be like, okay, I've changed this job to this. No. That is why you have to take trading seriously. You have to become a full-time trader. In developed countries, they have different opportunities. You can go work in a restaurant, you can go work, in a clothing store, you can go work in a bank, you can work in a school, whatever. But here, the reality is different on ground. You have to be a full-time trader if you're not employed. Other than that, what else are you using your time for instead of learning the market? So it is the reality of being in Africa. Full-time trading should be your target if you're unemployed. So most people think full-time trading is easy. No, it's not. Full-time trading is one of the hardest things that you can do because, take an example, you do not have, an income that comes in often. You could, explode and make extra, but the income that you have has to be well balanced and calculated. Uh, After a while, I'll advise people that would want to transform into full-time trading, and I'll advise them because I've gone through it, because of experience. I'm writing down the things I'm going through, and I'm writing down everything that will help those full-time traders transition into their full-time trading. Right now, I'm trading a funding pips account, the small one. I have other accounts, but let us not talk about those. Let us mainly focus on someone who is transitioning and is starting small with, let us say, a 10K challenge and they want to succeed in the field. Someone with a 50K challenge, they can get one payout and are sorted for like months, like several months. But someone with a 10K challenge, how are you going to take it slow? How are you going to take it nicely? And how are you going to be better with trading and trading prop firms? Of course, I'm speaking to the people around the world, but specifically some people in Uganda, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Tanzania, Rwanda, South Africa. You guys are the best, and you can be great full-time traders. Therefore, going back to the issue, right? What are the things you have to consider when becoming a full-time trader? You have to be really careful with your budgeting. You have to take extra measurements when budgeting. Like, it's not easy, but you have to, be careful with the budgeting. So let us take an example that you are a full-time trader, and you have to look for the best possible setups, because you'll have the time. That's number one. You'll have time to sit on the chart and wait for long. That means the emotions are going to be extensive. They are going to be high. But with the time that you have to also put in the extra efforts. For example, I wanted to talk about this setup a little bit. Of course, this is the trend line that I'm using. Simple things. This trend line, and it is a setup, but we see a rejection that is happening. That is why, if you're smart, you could either get out here or wait for the setup to play out, because you're not risking too much of the account, right? And see. But some have got out here, right there. It was a good setup, and they're out, which is a 1 to 1 point, like something setup. But let us see how it will go in the evening. You have to look out for the best scenarios, the best setups. Like, this could happen when you're sleeping. Such is analysis for a full-time trader. And those that are doing it part-time, it's not like you're behind. The other advantage that this other person has is the time to spend on the chart. They have enough time to spend on the chart, and they have freedom. So that means that this other person could be facing a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, because if you sit for the longest, it has advantages and it also has disadvantages. Sitting on the charts for a long time, you'll make false alarms, you'll make decisions that are not as crucial and not as beneficial for you as possible. Now, if you go on the 5 minutes, there is a big rejection candle right here. And what does a smart person do? Because you see this candle, it has shown a big rejection. So you make the decision whether to exit in profit or to continue holding the trade until it reaches to your take profit, which you set according to what? Because if you see this level, anyway, guys, I'm just ranting. It is because if you see this level right here, it came and tapped the level right there. So you could decide to go out here, but all it could be take profit one. That's on you. But yeah, you have to look out for the best setups, and then you have to consider a variety of things while you're entering. Those of you that do simple things, I salute you. Those that just do the trend lines, and also the complicated stuff, is worth it if you're good at the markets. It will be worth it. But those that go in for the simple, you guys are also valid and are seen in trading. Yeah. But before we go astray, let us go back and conclude the video about full-time trading and then transitioning into full-time trading. Yes, guys, thank you for watching me rant, and I enjoy doing these videos for us because of the support you guys give and what you guys feedback is. I've talked to a few people and they tell me I should proceed with the videos. Those that enjoy them, I appreciate you. And One point I want to stress is if you're unemployed, you are a full-time trader and you should treat it as your number one priority, your number one job. Think about trading, wake up and think about trades. Do it better, you know. Write down in your journal, do not just trade for the sake. Do it better and do it best and improve on a daily because it is the goal of us all to make extra money, to make a living out of trading and to be better. Well, watch the Lambos being driven, watch the mansions, but use it as entertainment. Have a small grain, watch it with a small grain of salt, you know. It is pure entertainment. It is, if you want to call it motivation, go ahead and call it motivation, but it is what it is, okay? Use it as entertainment to push you and to achieve your goals. Before I go, of course, I mentor students. For mentorship, you can WhatsApp me on the number and we shall discuss terms. My students are making tremendous progress. These are very good people. You know, they want to improve trading through prop firms, they want to do better. And I've never been as excited on a project as this one. But yeah, let me answer this phone call. Yes, students are joining. So if you have not yet, make sure you join early so that you don't miss out. Even the phone call that I'm from was a person who wants to join the academy. So make sure you join early and let us trade prop firms and trade them better. If you want to come for signals, no, I don't do that, guys. Unfortunately, I don't do that. But those who want to stop blowing prop firm challenges, those who want to improve, you know, systematically, so that after 1 year, 2 years, you're getting payouts flying in, join. But if you are not tired of losing and blowing, keep doing what you can. Some will go through, others will keep failing. So it is just the reality of life, actually. But definitely, I wish everyone well. We await payouts very soon for different people. And I hope you trade better and trade good. Remember that God loves you and pray to Him to give you a better life, to be a better person, and everything. I'll end the video here. Peace out. Bye.